This is Altcoins This Week, a weekly recap of the latest Altcoins news. And today we have Spain on the way to regulating crypto trading, Streamlabs takes crypto tipping, Argentina and Japan launch information campaigns on cryptos, and Inventor of Beats headphones applies the ASIC for huge ICO. The inventor of headphone company Beats has reportedly applied to the US Securities and Exchange Commission for a $300 million initial coin offering. According to documents filed, the MMNY token wants ASIC's approval to go live sometime this year. The token, which will be based on the Ethereum platform, will allow investors to take part in the new company developed by Monster Products Incorporated. The project aims to provide users with wallets and process the transactions using the MMNY token, establish a private off-chain platform where microtransactions can be completed with very limited to no transaction costs caused by mining activities, and create its own blockchain integrating it into the operating systems of the company. This shows that major companies are now taking the industry seriously and actually considering using it to further develop their business models. Non-profit organizations in Argentina have created a new project that promises to spread knowledge of cryptocurrencies among local communities. Bitcoin Argentina and Bitcoin America have jointly purchased a minivan, which will travel around spreading information about the use of cryptocurrencies and teaching locals how they can take advantage of them. The Bitcoineta will be equipped with everything it needs to travel around Argentina and perhaps in the future around more of Latin America. A Japanese organization has developed an intensive course for elderly members of society to learn more about digital currencies. The Cryptocurrency Support Center will offer its first virtual currency investment course for seniors, which will be divided into two parts. One based on basic operations and maintenance of virtual currencies, and the other on investment in virtual currency and measures against taxation. Despite tough measures Japanese authorities have taken against the cryptocurrency market, it seems like more and more people are interested in knowing what it's all about. Streamlabs, one of Twitch's streaming apps, has announced plans to accept cryptocurrencies as tips. According to their blog post, all Streamlabs broadcasters will be able to accept cryptocurrency tips in the form of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Streamlabs has reportedly made almost $35 million in tips for the first quarter of 2018, which could be greatly increased once crypto tips are enabled. To do this, users need to go to their donation settings page and select the Coinbase option, create a Coinbase account and connect it to the Streamlabs account. Fees will depend on the network transaction cost associated with their preferred currency. They also claim that crypto tips will not be reversible or cancelled. The team hoped to add other cryptocurrencies down the line. Spain has recently published a binding consult on cryptocurrency trading and its taxation. According to the consult VO999-18, people who have acquired virtual currencies such as Bitcoin and have later traded them for other virtual currencies like Ethereum or Ripple are obliged to report any profit from the trade. The consult is unclear as to how the administration can enforce this, given that there is no official trading platforms regulated by the government of Spain. However, it does answer the question of when to declare crypto trading to avoid sanctions. The taxation office states that to calculate profit, users have to establish the value of the asset at the time of acquisition and at the time of tax declaration to determine profit margin. Spanish residents who trade cryptocurrencies will now have to declare their trading activity and report when filing their income taxes or IRPF. Altcoins have experienced a slight improvement over the past week. Ethereum opened the week at $573 and dropped to $515 on Tuesday. By Wednesday, it started to show signs of recovery, going back up to $570 and continuously growing, closing the week above the $600 mark. Ripple followed the same market pattern, opening the week at 60 cents and dropping to a low point of 55 cents on Tuesday, but recovering somewhat, staying at the 60 cents mark and closing the week at 66 cents. Bitcoin Cash opened the week at the $1,000 mark but dropped below $800 on Tuesday, although it then experienced a recovery of almost $400 by Sunday, reaching its highest point of $1,280. Finally, Litecoin opened the week at the $118 mark, but it too experienced a decline in prices, going as low as $111 on Tuesday, before recovering to close the week at $126. The biggest winner of the week was definitely Bitcoin Cash, perhaps due to the announcement of the altcoin hitting over 1,000 stores in Japan, becoming a regular payment method. I'm Helen Moss, and this was Altcoins This Week. Make sure you subscribe to hear all the latest news. Until next time.